In many poor regions across Africa, going to school is not guaranteed. Children want to learn, but they lack proper classrooms, books, and even a place to sit. Today, millions of children in Africa are still out of school, and 1 in 5 classrooms is unsafe or unusable. Without education, poverty continues and generations are affected. At Imam Hussein Charity, we believe education is a right, not a privilege. Inspired by the values of Imam Hussein, we rebuild schools so children can rebuild their futures. A repaired classroom becomes a place of hope. Your donation helps empower communities and change lives. Donate today and be the reason a child can learn tomorrow.
A single donation from you can open a world of opportunities for a child. Let's give them the education they deserve. Donate now and be their hope.